to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. And Dwayne is talking or basically addressing 13 or Kingston 13, as we know her to be. And he's saying that he gave her the £100 that was sent to her. However, 13 has something else to say because 13 is saying that he gave it to her and then took it back. So, guys, you're going to have to go and catch the video to hear what Dwayne has to say because he's given her what he says is not an ultimatum, but he's saying that he wanted her to be clear to state that he had given her the money. He said he also had repaid the £150 to the person that sent the money because he felt like that was bad money. So go ahead and go catch the video, guys. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful, beautiful birthdays today, happy birthday to you. And I wish you everything nice, prosperity, peace, and most of all, long life. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my friends, my followers, my family, whatever you may call me out there, have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. Rise and shine and give God the glory. And remember, in everything, be thankful. Thankfulness is the way to go. Being grateful is the way to go. Giving gratitude is the way to go because that's what's going to make our lives better. Giving thanks for just the smallest things that we have. Have yourselves a beautiful one now.
Call the people them name. This thing, so an Amy Charles, right? You know, Amy gave me $100 to give you, and the woman gave me $50 for myself, £50. And you know what's so hurtful? You know what's so hurtful? I feel like the one I know, or most of you, on had this plan in concoction. You concocted this plan a long time ago to make me look bad to people, right? And listen, all of you might just get to know it, but either way, just know my conscience, my flipping conscience is flipping clean, right? 13, that money what Amy did give me to give you, that £100, and she gave me 50 for myself, right? You know, say, me give you that money, you know. But you came out here and you say, me never give you the money, right? You say, me never give you the money. And 13, you know I gave you that flipping money, right? Me give you the money, and you know somebody give you the money. But because of that vendetta you and Gracie had against me back then, because I come out and talk with Gracie about Dana, and it bothered her. Wanted to like just do, I don't know. Honestly, wanted me wrong, and that was one of your things. You come and tell me never give the money, but 13 you know somebody give the money. So here is what I'm gonna say to you, 13. I'm gonna say this to you, and this. Listen, me now cuss you. Me now seek validation. Me now do nothing at all. Are you going? You're going? All right. Listen, me now seek the validation from you. But 13, if at any point in the years you've known me and we was over here doing our thing together, if at any point you had any respect for me, any respect at all, any likability at all, 13, you will come out here. You will come out here and you will clear that up. You will clear it up. I know you probably won't. I know you're probably going to still hold into your song. But see, 13, let me tell you something. You see, in life, may I tell most of this? Let your conscience guide you through life. Your conscience, you see that thing called conscience is what we all need to guide us through our lives, right? At a point, I really thought I was on here doing okay. All right, go on. I was trying. Bear in mind, I didn't have a charity page. I did not have a charity page. And I never at no point went in no flipping charity. I was happy over here, just doing my karaoke, just doing my nonsense. Come on, come laugh. I was happy doing those things. And then you came into my life, and then things kind of like, went a little bit left. 13, if at any point you had, if at any point you had any likability for me, even a small little smidge, if you hadn't if you really like me, you say I'm your son on social media, right? So to me, that should mean something. That should mean something, right? What are you doing? That should mean something, right? That should mean something. People tell me that should mean something, right? And 13, you told Amy Charles, I did not give you that money. And that woman, she called me and I tell her about herself. And obviously I came on my live when I spoke about it. And by doing so, that woman going to the police. Porty, you are only making it seem like I stole that woman's money. When in reality, on that piece of paper you have that Amy Charles sent to you, it had no money on it. Your tax said the people in then jam got caught. Old story, yesterday the people in jam got caught, and my name is in X or Y because of alleged this A, B, and C, whatever. And to date, you can't prove these things. You know, Amy, none of you can't show evidence to this. You can't. So why are you on here? In fact, why are you out to bring my old story? Talk about the 13 odd million you stole from those plans. Go talk about that. Go and give accountability for that. Bear in mind, between 13 million and 150 pounds, which is the greater number? 60,000 pounds and 150 pounds, which is a far greater number? To which that 150 pounds, even though, hear me well, even though I knew in my heart, I gave 13 that money. I felt the money, the gesture, it didn't came from a good place. It never came from a good place. So what me do? I gave her back not just the money what she gave me to give 13. When we give 13, I give her back that. And I give her back the 50 pounds she gave to me too. Cause to me, it felt like bad money. I didn't want it. And me know say I was gonna be the one losing, but it's okay. It's not a big deal. It's only 150 pounds. And I gave Aim back that money. Supporting, why are you out here? Why are you out here doing this? And 13, I tell you again, if you ever cared for me, the person who I spoke for so many nights, me I fall asleep on the pan group call. 13, if you really care for me, you will come out and you tell them I gave you that money for real. Because 13, if you don't, I know we've made peace. I know I've come to Elisha here, there, wherever. But to me, people who tell baseless lies on others for no valid reason, I can't be friends with you. So if you can't come, and this is no ultimatum, because I know what's on up there and I'm down here now, and I accept it's okay. Let me stay down there, but just know I'm gonna stay down here. I'm gonna hold my values, my ethics, my morals, my principles, right? Those three qualities, I'm gonna hold them intact, and I'm not gonna let any of you people bring me to places where I don't want to go. So 13, if you really cared for me the way I think, you call me your son and all these things, you will come out and you tell them the truth. Because if you don't, and this is not an ultimatum, this is a request. If you don't, I'm done with you too. I'm done enough of them already, but I'm gonna be done with you too. I would want. I mean, me know say you now care. Me know say now care because you don't know me. We've never shook hands. We've never crossed paths. So me know say you probably now care, right? But at least by me saying this to you, it would give me clarity to know where you stand and I stand. If you don't come out and tell them the truth, it's okay. I wish you well. I wish you well. Just know I'm not speaking to you again. I can't because the what I know, on a love paint people black, and it's time for me to take my life in control and move in a manner that's pleasing to myself and pleasing to God. I mean, what's enough? I want to hate me. Keep hating me. That's all you guys know what to do. But 13, because of this conversation that Porty's brought back to the forefront, if you can't clear it up, I'm telling you, I wish you well. I wish you well. I do.
Really. You understand? So if anybody else has scammer, no, me I go burn this again. If anybody else has scammer, come with proof. When you come with proof on social media, one quote proof out there. Did you guys know that it's only one court proof on social media as an original scam?
A court. You see this woman?
Eh?
You see this woman? She spreads a lot of propaganda. Erica is what we call a propaganda spreader. I know it's so sad to know that most of you planks were people I once rubbed shoulders with. Most of you planks were people who I might have called my friends. And to see how you people are on her page, just doing me the most because we've gone our separate ways. People can go their separate ways and do so in a meaningful way, right? We don't have to be friends, but what we can at least respect each other, right? From the time seminar that again, have I come out and cursed on her? No. Yes, we talk about her. I said things, all things started, I said those things. But did I curse her? No. So what is you people's what is on a vendetta? Why are you guys carrying this hatred in your heart for me? When we all know I have never wronged any of you. I have never wronged any of you. So what is on a flipping agenda? Listen, keep going. Keep going. You're doing great. Keep flipping going. Right? Keep going. And put any evidence you claim you have, that's nonsense. The police came to my house and told me to stop calling money in pump. Show I'm stop calling money in social media. I see me a call her name, I say, Amy Charles, me a call her damn name. Amy Charles, go tell the police I'm a call her name, because you and them can't do me a damn thing. You and them can't do me shit. I'm no thief. Have I ever stolen from any of you? Have I ever the money, the last money we got me in 13 got from you guys from June. Planks, those that you guys are supporting me. The last money I got from you people to give to June, and we landed at June was a flipping scammer. What happened? I cancelled the money. Dwayne canceled the money, and I cancelled it. And most of you came back and got your flipping money. Even at a point, Adrian, me not calling anything about it. Even at a point, Adrian was on a page trying to chastise me too, as if I didn't give back his money when he did. But you know why he was doing those things? Because him and 13, he was on 13 side, right? So it was only logical for him to paint me bad when he knows I sent back his money by flipping PayPal. The same method he sent me the money, I sent it back to him. That winter flower who gave me $100, they caused a big mess on my flipping name, and even flipping winter got back her flipping money. So how am I a flipping scammer? That woman, the Irish woman, she took a very long time to come and get her money. However, she came, and before she came, she caused controversy with my flipping name. When that woman had my flipping number. The same way the same method everyone came and got their money. She could have done it too. She could have done it too, but she chose not to until far later when 13 obviously got in her head. I don't know what happened, but something happened, and they tried to disgrace me. See, you know, I go on my phone And I searched, I said, I'm a finally find her, I'm a call her. I said, hello? I don't know what it is you're trying to do. What is, in fact, I talk to her daughter. I say, I want to talk to your mom. And anyways, cut a long story short, the son sent me an account, and I sent back his flip money. Anyone else needs to do and keep that and do whatever you want to do with it. Alana, other people, just keep it. It's okay, cool. But most of the people who he gave me their money, they got it back. So how am I a flipping scammer for scamming small change, small flipping change? 14. You have scammed 13 odd million from those planks to the point where you was able to go and flip and buy 2 Pro Box, not 1 but 2. Why are you not out here accounting for that 13 odd million you stole? That small change, what I put promise in my teeth. Wanna know, say, even Thompson, whatever she named, that woman, I said to her, I said, lady, when 13 only was trying to disgrace me, I said, listen, it might sound bad, but I can assure you, the money that you gave only given for the help, so it was being spent well. To the point where even the money I gave Sony in the end went way over what when the sister and that woman gave to me. In fact, it went to the 2,000 plus pounds. So how am I a scammer? Porty, you are a flipping scammer. Not just you alone, the one on my teeth. And that said, all of them are flipping teeth. That's like teeth don't like teeth. Teeth don't like teeth with flipping long bag or tread bag, I don't know what to call it. Porty, leave me alone. Come out here and account for the 13 odd million you stole from those planks. And you are now orchestrating a plan. Me hear say this morning, anybody come up and talk, you now go look. But planks, if you're not a fool, if you're not damn fool and want to, planks, go and give her the money. Give her the damn money. She have shop she want to finish, and a uno she will use to finish that shit, and use the homeless to pull on it in. Go ahead. Go the flip ahead. Don't stop. Keep going. And Adrian, I don't know if you'll ever see this lesson, but Adrian, you know when that whole casket happened with 13 on all of you, you know damn when we give me money, because I can go to my PayPal now and find the receipt when we send back you your money too. So I don't know why one was out here painting me in this light as if I'm this bad person, when in reality I never wanted a flipping, I never wanted a charity. I did not. I want to come push it, but 13, not even 13, whatever. One woman called them, and I felt so bad for me. I said, okay, tell me what we can do. I saw me start, say, okay, I'm go try. And even then, I couldn't even beg. I can't beg. I can't beg. I feel shameful. When I beg, I feel shameful. And I said, I don't like it. So thank God 13 was here to help me. And you know, if you the one on a plan, you planned for me a long time ago. You planned for me because on the want people to hate me, and maybe all you might just have gotten your wish. If that is so, okay, great. In life, not everyone's gonna be here to like you, but just know my conscience, me, this crippled boy, wanna love Carmen, all kind of name. Me, my conscience is clear. Anything I've done on social media today, anything I did from the goodness of my heart. And it came from a flipping great place. And none of you, when I could attack on the damn tongue turn blue, none of you will ever take away that good nature from me. None of you. And then you realize, my God, elsewhere, God help other people. So in reality, all I want to you help me to open up something in me. The spirit of giving. So thank you. Thank you to all of you. Porty, you're a thief. Go and account for the 13 odd million you stole from those flipping planks, and you want to come scam them again if you go finish off shop. If you're not fool, go and give her your flipping money. Don't stop. Don't stop.
Where not only their name is mentioned on the paper, their mother name mentioned too.
My mother. You hear this last woman?
Understand how other people out here.
Let's clear that up. When Amy Charles gave the police the number to call me, the police called me, and I said to him, "Come today, come see me today." I could have said come anybody, but said no, come today. Let's talk about it today. So my mom was at work. My mom said, "Mom, the police gonna come because of X and Y. Can you come? Because I don't know what's, I wanted someone here with me just in case some nonsense happens. So my mother come. Porty, why are you out here putting my mom's name in nonsense? Does my mom look like a beggar to you? My mom is a band 7 nurse in a flipping... In fact, my mother is a flipping ward manager. Do you hear me? My mother makes enough money from the NHS to suffice her needs. And if we need something, we call it. Porty, my mother has taken me to a showroom and purchased me a car for £15,000. My mother did that for me. Does that tell you, like, does that sound like someone who is out here fighting for scraps? Does it sound like someone who does these things to you, Porty? Why are you putting my mom's in your nonsense? My mother is a better woman than you will ever be. I mean, I tell her. My mother gets up every day and she makes impacts in this world that is so impactful and meaningful. Like you come out here to do the latter. You torment people for $2, $3, $4, $5. Lady, I'm not your mate. I'm not your flipping mate. Leave me alone. Stop making... Hello? Leave my mother alone. Because I'm not on here talking about your... I'm not say that. I'm only talking about your flipping mother. And if I do, I tell her go and look after her. Right? I don't pull your mom's name nonsense like this. You see, you have no respect. You don't know to respect people's parents. You don't know to respect people's children. And you see, you clearly was dragged up. You was flipping dragged up.